Hey everyone, welcome back to RZN Auto, where we uncover the cars that turn heads and break expectations. Today, we're diving into something that's been flying under the radar, the 2026 Geely Coolray. It's sleek, smart, sporty, and surprisingly refined. If you think compact crossovers are boring, this one's about to change your mind. Let's start with the exterior, because the 2026 Coolray doesn't look like your average budget-friendly SUV. The front fascia is aggressive, with a bold gloss black grille that's wide and angular, flanked by sharp, full LED headlights that give the car a futuristic gaze. The bumper is sculpted with aerodynamic intakes and a sporty lower lip, creating a performance-inspired look. On the side profile, the Coolray looks dynamic with a sloping roofline, strong character lines, and blacked-out pillars for that floating roof effect. You'll also notice sharply styled side mirrors with integrated turn signals and a camera module. They're functional and sporty. The 18-inch alloy wheels are equally impressive, finished in a two-tone machine-cut design that gives the car a premium feel. Swing around to the rear and things get even more exciting. You're greeted by a roof spoiler, a full-width LED light bar, quad exhaust tips, and a faux diffuser. It all screams performance, even when it's parked. Step inside the interior and Geely continues to over-deliver. The cabin is driver-focused with a flat-bottom steering wheel, red stitching accents, and a center console that looks straight out of a more expensive SUV. The digital instrument cluster pairs with a large central touchscreen that's fast, sharp, and supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. But what really elevates the experience is the panoramic sunroof, which floods the cabin with light and adds a sense of spaciousness. There's also a wireless charger neatly integrated into the console, along with USB-C ports for both front and rear passengers. The seats, trimmed in synthetic leather with contrast detailing, offer good bolstering and comfort. Storage is smartly designed with a deep center bin, large door pockets, and a cleverly concealed cup holder setup. Everything feels tight, solid, and just a bit sporty. Exactly what you'd want in a compact crossover. Under the hood, the 2026 Coolray comes with a 1.5-litre turbocharged 3-cylinder engine paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, pushing out around 181 horsepower. It's not just about numbers though. It's quick off the line, smooth in traffic, and responsive when you want it to be. Geely has done a solid job tuning the suspension too, striking a balance between sporty handling and everyday comfort. Whether you're carving up city corners or cruising the highway, this crossover doesn't just look sporty, it actually feels the part. So, is the 2026 Geely Coolray the sporty crossover you didn't see coming? Absolutely. With sharp styling, high-tech features, and punchy performance, it's proof that compact SUVs don't have to play it safe. If you're bored of the usual suspects in this segment, this one deserves a serious look. Thanks for spending time with us here on RZN Auto. If the Coolray surprised you too, hit that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell so you never miss a first look or review. Catch you on the next ride!